Part 3. Oh, I see something! I see something! Uh-oh. It looks like a kid. I must go and save them. Let me go and get in the car first. Put that over. Hop in, kid! Oh yeah, I forgot. They distracted from her. All of the kids must stay in, not on the top. Next. Come on, kids, hop in. Oh yeah, I keep so stupid. No, a puppy. It must have been Leslie's and Ava's. Okay, now time for the rest. Oh, this is just stuff they know, but must keep collected for survival. Time for the attack. I'm gonna have to carry these people back inside. Lock it. Beep, beep. Guys, I found these kids. Huh? Where am I? Mommy! Honey. I don't need you, Siri. You can't be our husband. No, I want to be my brother. What would you name me for your brother? Alex. His name is Alexander, but Alex is for short. Okay. I found these sick children. Well, this is just the stuff didn't know on this one too. Wait a minute. I think I recognize that. Let me go and take a look. Oh, these were my brother's action figures. Well, my sister's action figures. He used to take them from her brother and she took them from the hurricane when it started and I never saw her ever again. Whoa. Is this her? Oh my god. Oh, I missed you. Hello, sister. Let's go and give you some warmed up, giving you some water. Everybody come here when y'all get your towel. Can I bring my dolls? Yeah. Whose daughter is this? Huh? Jonathan. Oh, it's Lexi. Oh my god. Come here, honey. Well, come here, Isabel. Oh my god. Our puppy. Our baby. Let's put her in the bed. Well, let's return her. Whoa. No need to cry, no need to cry. Okay, whose is this? Jerry, is that you? Jerry! Yeah, let's wait. My work here is done. I already found my kid. Let's all give him to shelter. Here. Excuse me. Let's put all the childs and give them water. Here, I'll give them some water each. Every kid get in a line. First is my little sister. And my picture store. Jerry, you wanna get some water? Sure. Can you shut your baby up? Shut up, that's my little brother, and leave him alone. He could cry if he wants. He's our baby. Come on, Alexa, you don't need any, because you're gonna get wet. Move, losers. Yeah, move, losers. You little freak girl. Okay, let me pour some. Three hours later. Okay. Everybody's asleep. Now I gotta go somewhere. Oh, thanks guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.